Capping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego.
Welcome to the start of my summer vlog.
Hey guys, happy Friday. You guys can see me well because I don't have a tripod yet that I can put in my car. So I came to the gas station to come clean my car, and so far I've already used the vacuum to vacuum all around the inside of my car. This car, it was so dirty, and that's because the last time I cleaned my car was last year during I think fall break. No, what was that? Thanksgiving break. Yeah, Thanksgiving break. But ever since then I haven't cleaned it, and so it's been a while. So I decided to come to the gas station and use the vacuum to vacuum all over the floors of the car, and also try to wipe around with the Clorox, the cleaner wipes, but that's for like surface, so it didn't work out well. So when I go home, I'm just gonna have to get like those cloth and try to clean it up. I'm about to go through this car wash. This is my second time getting a car wash. I've always thought like I need to clean my car, but I never really got to it. And so I also just came back from the gym, and so I look maybe a little crazy right now. Let's go through this car wash drive through for the second time. The one that I went to was the one closest to my school, and that was in Frederick. And so, since I'm back home for summer break, there's the lady looking like that. Since I'm back home for summer break, I think I'm gonna get the gold wash. Yep, I'm going to see. Alright, what should I get? Should I get the premium wash, or I need a reverse back? Okay, so the premium wash, the premium wash. Ooh, this is actually cheaper than the one that I had, the one closest to Frederick. That one, I think the most I paid for that one was either 16 or 19. But here's 9 for silver, 11 for gold, and 13 for premium. It's between silver and gold. Okay, I think I'm gonna choose gold. I don't know. Let's do premium. No, not premium, platinum. What am I saying? Anyways, let's do platinum. I think I did it. Okay, it's going through it. I don't think I parked. Hopefully I did. Okay, let me show y'all, because I've never shown my car fully on here, so I'm gonna show y'all. So this is it. Hopefully I'm doing it right. So now, but yeah, I see I did clean the inside of my car. It's still dirty, but I'm gonna go home, get some cloth, and wipe around it. And yeah, let's see, this is the car wash. I got the platinum one. I've been spending money, even though I don't have money like that, so Jesus. Today is gonna be a low vlog, just so you know. But let me stop talking. $13 is not bad for this. You know, it's not that bad. Yeah, $13 is not bad. Sorry guys. Alright. Woo. Okay guys. She got the car wash. She got the car wash. I'm about to go home to... Ooh, it looks shiny. Oh my god, look at my glass. All right, I'm about to go home and try to like come spray the inside and give it a little bit more cleaner view. I'm gonna clean it even more, you know, and get rid of any streaks or fingerprints or whatever left on the inside. But the outside looks gorgeous. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks from the outside when I get home. All right. Alright guys, so I'm back home. I did go upstairs in my house to go get my these cloths. These are very good. Oh my god. I bought some oil, restoring oil, this stainless steel cleaner and polish, fight fingerprints better. And then I got the disinfectant wipes. The one that I was using earlier, that one is more for surface, but then this one is just wipes you can use anywhere, which is great. Alright, so I just finished cleaning the inside. I thought my phone had recorded everything, but apparently not after I positioned it over there. So, but that's okay. I'm about to show you guys the inside of the car. Now it looks shiny, it looks clean. I'm proud of myself. This is a 2014 car, and thanks to God that my dad got it for me. I pray for more blessings unto him and my mom. You know, I'm thankful for God for giving me such great parents who love, care, and support me. And I just pray that he bless them throughout the rest of their life. So yeah, but that's it. It is hot in here. I also did clean the mirrors, the windows. So I'm done with that. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go inside, take a shower, make some food, and then go out and do my job hunting. So I made this veggie shrimp chicken dish, as you can see. I also made broccoli, a fried chicken. I made fried rice, which I was preparing, that's why it's empty. And I made this African puff cake balls.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you in my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder.
Aren't you gonna say hi?
What's that?
Stop. I'm doing a vlog.
YouTube channel?
Yes. Your YouTube channel, we gotta do a video too.
I said I was gonna make a gymnastics video, but I haven't been posting because you were not home.
I can't record you in gymnastics.
No, I have some pictures.
Okay
I have
then.
some videos.
Okay, we can put it together.
Sadly, they
Yeah.
know that I'm your sister because they see me on your TikTok
Yes.
and your videos.
Yeah. It's okay. I don't have that many subscribers, so it's not
Stop lying. Stop.
it's not a lot. I'm aiming for 100.
Stop the cap.
At least 100 by this year. I'm 40
Stop the cap.
40. The school is not even that far. It's like literally over there. See? Did my makeup because it's been a while and I wanted to feel like a baddie. And now I feel like taking it off because it's hot, nowhere to go, nothing to do. Look at the fit. And my eyelid just keeps sweating. I hate that. Anytime I do makeup, I have tears. It's cute. It's cute. Catfish like. Hey guys, happy Saturday. Whoop, whoop. Yesterday I did not record much. Thursday I did not record much because there was nothing really to record. Yesterday I could have recorded because it was my dad's birthday, and so me and my brother and my mom, we all got him a birthday gift. We got him balloons, a card, shirt, and socks, and then also a cake. And then also made some traditional African food for him today. And so now we're just getting ready to either eat the food, cut the cake, or and get ready to go home because, you know, I gotta hit the road before sunset because that's when it started getting dark, and I don't like driving in the dark. So yeah, but that is how my week went. I know I delayed on some days, but most days if I don't have really nothing to do, I'm not gonna record that because who wants to just sit there and watch me just talk. You know, I like action. But yeah, today I did some other stuff, but I didn't record that. But anyways, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm also in my dad's bathroom. I'm still at his house. So yeah, but we're getting ready to leave like maybe at 7 because right now I checked the GPS, there's no traffic, which is actually good because now I can get quicker home. From here to Germantown is like 40 minutes maybe. And there's no traffic. With the traffic it can be longer than like 45 minutes. But yeah, that is my vlog. I'll make sure to make more vlogs, but have more fun things, you know, like if I'm doing anything exciting, I'll make sure I record it from memory wise, even though nobody watches my videos. But let me stop the chit chat. Yeah, thank you guys again for watching. See you guys in my next video. Yeah, I also took out my nails, so yeah, bye. Also, I know you can see my lace. Now I'm using the front camera, not the back camera. But I know you can see my lace, and you know, my hair right now is a mess. It's a mess. It has pile-on makeup, you know, piles of makeup on top of it. That's why it's not really giving scalp. So don't mind it, okay? Just act like you don't see that. You see my pretty face, but you don't see this, right?